That no-good governor is gonna be sorry he burned down my ranch after I get through with this fancy house.
I don't think the governor is going to be in a position to care about much of anything soon.
Keep your heads down, boys.
Don't let him get through!
That tears it. Orders or no orders? I'll see you in hell.
Hell, I'd kill this one for nothing. That gold is just icing on the cake.
Stop him! Gun them down! I'm gonna collect that bounty on this bounty hunter! This has gone far enough! Governor Griffon will reward you handsomely! Oh, damn!
Run away, men! Derek, that hurts!
They're too good!
Damn, got me! I think we should barricade the door.
Give it up, bounty hunter! You're not getting in!
He mustn't reach the governor.
Whoa!
Keep fighting! We can't let you pass, bounty hunter! Give up now and we'll let you live! Now you're messing with the homie, and you've got to die! That's it, you're going down! Wait till you see what we got in store for you, bounty hunter! Who are these guys? Let's teach these folks some manners! We gotta stop them here, boys!
You'll never make it to the governor! Defend the governor at all costs!
That's it! We gotta finish him here! We can't get away with that, boys!
Get back!
Right. A secret door. That's the stuff. Probably leads right to the bastard. I'll keep these devils at bay. You see where that passage leads.
never make it to the governor! Up until now, this has been the easiest...
$20,000 in gold for your heads, boys! That's what I call incentive!
I busted up the place something good. Found the keys to the whole place on one of them dead blue jackets. Still ain't seen hide nor hair of that sneaky governor, though. Let's keep moving. He's gotta be around here somewhere.
He mustn't reach the governor! There! These gunslingers were in the battle royale for nothing, boys! Not far enough! Stop him!
All right, Red! Let's finish him off!
They can't get away with this! Everyone!
Now let's get the governor.
Quite a ruckus going on. Should we check on the prisoner?
Nope, we have our orders.
He must have done something bad to get the governor himself involved. Time!
Yeah!
Let's shoot, Red! That's showing him! Hey, soldier. Ready to do some fighting?
Just point me in the right direction, ma'am.
You two go on and look for the governor. I'm gonna stay here and find Mr. Swift.
I'm afraid the governor is otherwise occupied. Next time, I suggest you make an appointment. Only there ain't gonna be no next time.